You should not use borax-based homemade ant killer directly on edible plants or on fruits and vegetables where people will eat them. Borax can control ants when used as a slow-acting bait because ants carry it back to the nest. But boron is a plant micronutrient that becomes toxic at low excess concentrations and can be taken up by roots or deposited on edible surfaces. For safe use, place bait stations on non-edible leaves, on stakes, or in covered containers that ants can access but that keep bait off produce. Keep bait out of direct wind and water flow so it will not drip or wash onto fruits or into the root zone, and replace or remove bait before the first rain if you expect heavy showers. Use low concentration baits so ants take the bait without dying immediately where they forage on plants. Typically, a mixture with less than 1% borax by weight is recommended in practice for baits. Wear gloves when preparing and placing bait, and wash any edible produce thoroughly with running water and a vegetable brush before consumption if there is any chance of contact. If you are managing a high-value or sensitive crop, consider alternative baiting methods such as sealed bait stations or professional products labeled safe for gardens. Common mistakes are placing bait directly on fruits or exposed vegetables where children or wildlife might contact it, which you can avoid by using covered stations or placing bait on non-edible leaves and garden edges. Another error is applying borax solutions to the soil surface in hopes of systemic control, which risks root uptake and plant damage, so confine bait to dry, above-ground placements, and do not pour liquid borax into planting holes. People also underestimate runoff and irrigation risks, leading to boron movement into root zones, so schedule baiting during dry periods, avoid overhead watering after placement, and remove any spilled material immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects and garden safety topics, and our community discussions let people share practical experiences with pest control and garden care. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work while fostering conversation and peer advice in our discussion community.